Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will cover some of the most commonly asked Node.js interview questions along with detailed answers to help you ace your next interview. Make sure to watch till the end. The first question is, what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a runtime environment that allows JavaScript to run outside the browser. It's built on Chrome's V8 engine, making it faster and efficient. Unlike traditional server-side technologies like Apache or PHP, which use multi-threading, Node.js uses a single-threaded, event-driven model with non-blocking input-output, making it highly scalable for real-time applications. Now, the second question is, what is a callback function in Node.js and what are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Now, the answer for this question is, a callback function is a function that gets passed as an argument to another function and is executed after the completion of an operation. In Node.js, callbacks are commonly used for asynchronous programming because Node.js runs non-blocking operations. This is the example for this question. Here, the callback function ensures the file is read first before executing the next step. But wait, callbacks can lead to callback hell. So we use promises and async away to make code more readable. Now, coming to the third question, what is the purpose of the package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key project properties found in this file? Now, the answer for this is the package.json file is hot. The package.json file is the heart of a Node.js project. It contains metadata about the project and manages dependencies. The key properties of the package.json is name, version, dependencies, script. You can see the example of this package.json that I have listed for you. Now coming to the fourth question. Explain the differences between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Okay. The answer for this is both require and import are used to import modules, but they are a key difference. Require is used in common JS modules like default in Node.js. Import is used in ES modules and needs type model in package.json. This is the example for using require and this is the example using import. Now the question is, which one should you use? Use require for all Node.js projects. Use import for modern projects that support ESM. Now coming to the fifth question. What is middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how would you use middleware in an Express application? Now, middleware in Express.js is a function that executes before the request reaches the route handler. You can see the example here. Middleware is used for authentication, logging in, and error handling. Now coming to the sixth question. What is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. Now, RESTful APIs follow REST principles to interact with resources using HTTP methods. Get is for retrieve data, post is for create data, put is for update data, and the final one delete is for remove data. And this is the example of an API in Express.js. This endpoint sends a JSON response when a client makes a GET request. Now coming to the seventh question. What is the purpose of Node Package Manager, that is NPM? And how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? npm is a tool used to install, update, and manage dependencies in a Node.js project. In order to install npm, we can uh, print as npm install express. By this, we can install npm in our computer. npm helps keep projects organized and manage dependencies efficiently. Now coming to the final question. Why it is important to hash passwords? Never store passwords in plain text. Hashing passwords enhances security by converting them into a non-reversible string. We use libraries like bytecrypt to hash passwords. This is the example for password. This ensures even if attackers access the database, they cannot see real passwords. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed a lot and learned a useful information from this video. Bye. This is